letter Z with Hopie. Fun alphabet adventure for kids.
Zip, zoom. Hopie zips up her jacket. It has a colorful zigzag pattern. Z is for zip and zigzag, she says with amazing zeal. Let's go to the amazing zoo. Hopie zooms around the room, buzzing with excitement like a bee. Z is for zoo. At the zoo, the first thing Hopie sees is a zebra. Wow, a zigzag zebra. She squeals with zest. The zebra is munching on zesty zucchini. The zany zebra winks and zooms from one zone of its home to the other. Hopie giggles at the zippy animal. Z is for zany, zooming zebra. A friendly zookeeper with a warm smile comes over. Hello, my name is Zinnia, she says. Z is for zookeeper, Hopie replies happily. Zookeeper Zinnia shows Hopie the beautiful zinnia flowers planted near the zebras. Z is for zinnias too, says Zinnia, handing one to Hopie. All the excitement makes Hopie thirsty. She gets a freezing, zesty lemon-lime popsicle. So zingy, she says, making a funny, scrunched-up face. The zoo has a quiet zone for napping animals. Hopie walks on her tiptoes so she makes zero noise. Z is for zero noise, she whispers. The amazing day at the zoo is over. In the car, Hopie starts to feel fuzzy and sleepy. Zzz, she snoozes, her head nodding gently. Back in her cozy bed, Hopie dreams of zigzag zebras, zany zookeepers, and amazing zinnias. With zero worries, she snoozes the night away. Z is the best, she mumbles in her sleep.
Learning letter Z with Hopie. Fun alphabet adventure for kids. Subscribe. Hopie and Friends.